Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to save Excel file in CSV format. Friends, if you want to save a Excel file in CSV format, then you need to click on File. Now here you need to click on Export. In Export, you will find option to download as CSV. Click on it. Now it will ask you to give a destination to save the file. I save it on desktop and click on save. Now here you can see it has started downloading the file. Now I will open the file. Now here you can see it has downloaded the file in CSV format. So friends, like this you can very easily save Excel file in CSV format. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.